Hello, hello, hello. Here I am again.
Part 2.
This is Enday Gaga Vlogs. And this is the update, part 2.
I decided to try a decent braid.
Oh my God. My daughter tried to make a decent French bread, but since hindi niya alam kung paano, so ito, iwan ko ba kung ano nang ginagawa niya. Baka ano na yan, mukuha na siya ng kuto dyan sa ano ko, sa hair ko. So, she said to me that mag-video na daw ulit ako para sa update ng kanyang ginagawang French bread. So, hindi na lang daw French bread. Ano na lang daw, sliced bread na lang daw.
My friend.
Excuse me. So, ano na lang daw yung simple na lang daw na tali ang gagawin niya para hindi na kami mahirapan lahat, 'di ba? Look at my hair, my friends. Namamatay na siya sa kakakulay ko. Kailangan na niya ng treatment. Tiis-tiis ka muna hair kasi hanggat may color na nakikita yung amo mo, kinukulayan ka talaga. Kasi yan scientist yan. Lahat yata ng color, tinatry niya.
Gold money, gold.
That's not gold.
Gold money.
Ano bang yung ginagawa mo? Huh? Can't you see what my daughter did to my hair?
Messy. This is messy, but it's okay.
She said it is messy, but it's okay because she gave an effort in braiding my hair. Diba? It is really nice to have a daughter because there's someone who beautify you.
Wait.
Beautify.
Kanilang bow.
She tied my hair with a purple bow. Look like a teenager, a big and huge teenager. Can you video the result of my hair?
Wait lang. Ako lang yung bugkusan na lang.
Yeah.
Fall off.
So my video is gonna end soon, so we have to upload an update for the part 3 again. Oh
No!
my God! Oh, bye-bye! Don't forget to subscribe my channel.